Hi, welcome back my friends to the live trading with Golden Girl. Hello Ali, hi Johnson, hi Marilyn, hello Isaac, welcome back. How are you? How are you today? I hope that you have a good trading result today. Okay, so as you can see that in today early Asian session until London session, gold price is facing with very high selling pressure at the moment. And last time I showed you the sell scalping signal, right? Anyway, gold price is still follow correctly to my analysis. Alright, so let's take a before I had the live stream today in my VAB signal group, we had a very qualified scalping signal, right, at the entry zone 40.45 to 40.47. Perfectly sound scalping signal. Hi Tariq. Congratulations Isaac for the continuous profit. Continuous profit. Both buy and sell signals, right? Because the market today moving with the downtrend, however, is have short-term recover, and that is when we can measure and identify the exact entry zone for the buy signal. Quality of the any scalping signal is the key point I need to focus every day. Limit about losses and increase the rates for winning signals is the purpose of all VAB signal, right? Hi Bear. Hello my friend. Oh, you're from Japan? Are you from Japan? Because your name in Japanese. And sorry, I don't know how to spell it. Hello Kalai. Hi Abby. Wow, today I see there's a lot of new friends. Say hello with me. Thank you so much for your flying heart, and don't forget to like and subscribe for Nova channel on YouTube, okay? Thank you. Alright, below here we have the buy zone. Buy zone at 40.06 to 40.04 according to my gold trading plan today. 40.06 to 40.04. There you go. We have the support here, right, based on this wick of the candlestick. The lower wick of this candlestick is the starting for the support zone, coming back and dominating the market. And that's why I identified this zone is at the support zone and set up the scalping signal for my gold trading plan today. However, gold price still under a selling pressure at the moment. 3 EMAs lying above of the candlestick, all the candlestick. Also we have the trend line. We have trend line here. Just finished for nearly 100 pips profit for entry 45 to 47. Now gold price is still heading down, so let me say that if it is gonna be a perfect signal. Perfect signal for today's live stream. Do you think it will hit the support zone again? Yeah, it tend to hit the support. It's very highly opportunities to hit below support zone. You can see that in a 5-minute time frame, it cannot break out from those resistance level. Let's see, that's 40. Yeah, the candlestick is acting at the 40 price level. Even though it's forming a gradual higher lows, lower highs here. Yeah, the range of the candlestick is getting more narrowed and it's forming a ascending triangle. Ascending triangle at the moment, but we need to wait for which direction it's breakdown or breakout. Okay, wait for this 5-minute time frame candle. I was enter the trade at 40.45 to 40.47. That's for the signal for the sell zone. Both here touching with trend line EMA 89. Okay, and the previous resistance. So that's why we have a perfect setup for the sell signal at this point. 45 to 47. It's breakdown from the below trend line. However, we have a very near support zone down here. So I will wait for the further confirmation of the market and do not enter any signal at the moment. If you still hold any signal, any layers at 45 to 47, you can hold it. And heading to below target, below price level. $45. Actually, that 44.4. 44.4 a little bit. It's around 5 pips left to the entry. Alright, that's why you ask for that signal. Because any signal, that's when you see the momentum that's having the reactions near to the entry zone, you can manage to the entry zone by yourself. Be proactive to control it by yourself. I think that previous signal was not hit in the beginning. However, the signal that just 4 to 5 pips left from the entry zone, so you can proactive to manage it as sell now to avoid the missing of that entry. What is the best way to know if keep a trade is happen a lot that I close the trade soon? Okay, so I remind you a lot about the closing a part of a trade. Closing a part of a trade and moving stop loss. Moving stop loss to a higher level, like move it to minus 30 pips or move it to the entry zone, and you can hold the rest to the further take profits. Bigger take profits. So we cannot have the exact target for you. Just hold it a part of the trade and you will receive. Yeah, you will receive the the profit as you wish. Alright, it's still heading down, and below here we have a support zone at 35. Yeah, the profit will not significantly gaining. Alright, let's see how it's gonna be moving. If it's retest 38 to 39, we will enter small lot at this price zone, okay? Small lot. Here we are. 38. I'm looking for it heading back to 38. Yeah, so now gold price is 10 to heading back to the entry zone. I'm opening 1 minute time frame to see the movement in detail. Last time the market is less attractive for me. Yeah. So come on, I wake up very early. You know, wake up early in the 3 a.m. to trade in the beginning of Asian session. So I need some time. Yeah, I need to take a rest after that. Right? And the market will less noisy after 1 p.m. New York time. So that's not good for me. Yeah, that's not good time zone for me to trade anymore. And I realized that Asian session is getting more delicious. Yeah, delicious, attractive, and moving is such a profitable scalping signals. Good entry, make profits. So do you trade in the Asian session, Saleh? Sorry, how can I spell your name? Saleh or Sal H? Do you trade in the Asian session like me? Yeah, Saleh. Yeah. Okay, Saleh. Yeah, Asian session is my favorite one. So that's why I rather than waking up early than staying up too late. Yeah, trading in New York sessions kind of risky. And Asian is more safer. Oh, really? Wow. Thank you so much, Isaac. Usually trade in London and New York section. Oh, so you skip the Asian one. Next time, someday try to wake up early and trade in the Asian session with me, okay? For a early morning that I can have continuous trading signals. Yeah, gaining a lot of profit from early Asian session. If this is H4 candle close below 80.38, it will go down. Okay, so to continue, we will together take a look at 4-hour time frame. All right. I guess that our signal today was missed already. Yeah, it's not coming back to 8:38. Yeah. Anyone enter the sell signal near this price zone? Anyone? For our time frame. Actually, that there are some level you need to pay attention to. That is 34. Yeah, 32. Actually, 32 to 30. This is the lowest price of this candlestick on Tuesday. Yeah, November 25. 30 to 32. It's a breakdown. It will heading to below EMA 200 with the 21st. EMA 21st. Anyway, we still have another buy signal at 40.06, right? 40.06. According to my gold trading plan today. With this high volatility, I believe that in today's Asian New York session, it will hit. Yeah, it will hit today my buy signal, according to my gold trading plan. Better we hold. Okay. Hello, Brad. Which entry zone you enter? Which is the entry zone you enter for current sell signal? Yeah, we are looking for the buy. Yeah, the buy signal at 40.06. Okay, 40.06, and I'm looking at this support zone. What is its reaction? 32 to 33, and even 30. Okay, even 30. Currently, the scalping signal at 40.45 is still heading down at 130 pips profit on your hand. Because this is the support zone in the 5-minute time frame, and you can say that in 1-minute time frame also. So be calm, okay? Be calm and waiting for the reaction, because it's easily to break down. So it's kind of risky for you if you enter any buy signal at the moment. So still follow the trend and waiting for the better support zone around 40.06. Alright? The bearish momentum at the moment is still very strong. Hang on a second. Indeed, no rush. The market can make strong reversal. Yeah, but our mission is finding a good positions anyway. So moving any movement in 1 minute time frame may have noise. Alright. If we're looking for the reaction of the market in a small time frame, it's not safe. It's not safer than we're observing, have the analysis in a bigger time frame like hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, or even daily. Observing the candlestick in a smaller time frame just help you to have the detailed movement if you hit any signal already, if you enter any signal. Okay, and I do not recommend you to do any analysis in a smaller time frame, like 1 minute or 5 minutes. Except you are a professional trader. Okay, you are a super scalper. You can believe in the movement of 1 minute time frame. Okay. Anyways, still having a lot of noise if you enter, if you design analysis in a small time frame. Yeah, wait until it's break. And for me, it's easily break down at the moment. And if you observe in a 1 hour chart, yeah, the current trend is still the bearish one, right? It's still the bearish one. I'm waiting for the reaction, clearer reaction. And if you are my VIP members and having the perfect entry zone at 40.45, congratulations for that perfect signal. Now, perfect entry zone. Student, you're my friend, you're my fellow, and yeah, I'm here just sharing experience for 8 years. Yeah, and I hope that it worked for you. Okay, hello Jay Harris. Wow, congratulations for 130 pips profit is in your hand. Yeah, you can close a part of a trade. Okay, close a part of a trade and hold the rest. Close gradually and hold the rest to 40.06. I understand your feeling when you see the profit, it increase and then it decrease. Yeah, that's cause you a irritation, right? Aggression and irritation. So just close a part of the trade and move the stop loss to a higher level. Now you can move to a plus 30 pips. Yeah, for the stop loss because it's already 130 pips already. It's far away from the beginning stop loss, right? So you can confidently move the stop loss to the plus level, higher level. Alright, it's heading to a lower level at 150 pips. So guys, if you want to receive qualified scalping signal every day, every weekday, welcome to the VIP signal group. And I have 2 types of VIP signal group. One is gold, okay, gold signal, and another is currency pairs. Yeah, currency pairs. And if you want to trade with me every weekday, welcome to join my VIP signal group. Together we capitalize the market from early Asian session until New York session. Yeah, I usually call it a Nova Magic. You know, Nova Magic. It's gonna be pity a bit that we cannot enter to this entry zone for the sell signal. Yeah, at 38. It's rather than enter at 37. You know, 37. But I made bargain to the market, and yeah, this opportunities is missing. So anyway, that every VIB members joining in my signal group, yeah, you gaining the profit every day. That is my happiness, you know. Any currency planning to substitute signal? Recently I'm too busy, cannot prepare for the report analysis for BTC or ETH as usual. Okay, you can wait. Okay, good you mind waiting and keep on subscribing my channel, following my channel on Telegram, so that you will receive the latest analysis from currency pair or cryptocurrencies. And in the VIP Forex Platinum signal group, I already prepared for the analysis for currency pairs, right? The chart is the same. Technical analysis is the same for every asset. By using Dow theory or EMA or RSI or trendline, support, resistance, they are the same. Using them all type of trading assets. Yeah. So now it's having the bullish reaction. Bullish reaction anyway. So you can see the body of 1 hour candle is getting smaller. It's having the bullish reaction at the moment. Let's see, it's reversed. It retest to the trend line or not. Let's see this time. Okay. Wow, it's having a powerful bullish reaction. It's forming a Marble Zoo at the moment and heading to 38. Enter small lot to bet this trade. Okay, small lot to bet this trade. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready for today's scalping signal that we are waiting to active? Hello, are you ready? Everyone else, where are you? Are you still following me? Okay, enter small lot, and we hit the first signal. The first entry. We hit the first entry. Keep calm, keep calm. 38.5, nearly 10 pips profits first. Alright. Let's go into the 1 minute time frame to see what is going on with our current signal. It's active already, everyone. It's active at 38.5. Come on, we need it going down. Yay, indeed. Yay, 20 pips profit. Everyone, 20 pips. Okay, so it's having a bit struggling a bit at near to the entry. You enter at 38. Okay, Hang on tight. Remember to set the stop loss for every trade you are in. Come on. Alright, 30 pips. Yeah. Congratulations every participants, every friend joining my live stream today. We have 30 pips profit for the sell signal at 38 to 39. Yay! Congratulations to J. Harris. Anyone else having the profit like Mr. J? Anyone else? Yeah, I'm so happy that every time I provide you this signal and together we have profit. Wow, once again, Bear, I see you. Hi Ali, hi Bian. Thank you so much for your kind feedback. Yeah, for today's signal profit. So much happy. Come on, it's heading down and our target is around 32. Yeah, 32 to 30. Close the part of the trade and hold the rest to the further take profit. Okay. So just a few friends having profits with this scalping signal. Anyone else? Yeah, today I'm very happy that we did not miss. Yeah, we did not miss for this signal. Yeah, I thought it will miss, but yeah, when it touched to below support zone, it's coming back and hit to our entry. Alright, consider to lower your trading volume and enter for the second round. Alright, lower your trading volume and enter for the second round. We trade by using the profit, the bar profit. Round 2. Let's see that I can calculate for the upcoming profit or not. I'm calling it super scalpers. Quick in, quick out. You know, quick in, quick out. Whenever we trade real time together, we can capitalize on the market movement together. And now the bearish momentum is not strong as the beginning. Yeah, who knows? Just be disciplined to our risk management and yeah, lower the trading volume so it's no worry about because we are trading with our profit, right? Yeah, you enter again at 39. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. So if you are a beginner and you want to have the experience to trade in the New York session, you can trade with the micro lot or 0202. 0.02. Yeah, 0.02. Another 30 pips profit gaining for second round, right? Come on, I'm looking forward another 30 pips. Come on. Oh, it's having the short-term bullish momentum. Breaking down. Break down. Press the candlestick down, everyone. Press it down. It's having struggling between buyers and sellers at this zone. And we have EMA 34 is acting like a dynamic support. Even though it in 1 minute time frame, but it have significantly momentum. but for me it cannot last long. Yeah, it cannot last long. Alright, 30 pips for the round 2. Yay, congratulations everyone. Congratulations Ale. Good trader. Very good trader. And it's forming a higher highs at the moment, so we should get out of the trade to protect it, to protect your capital anyway. Yeah, it's higher high and higher low at the moment. Okay, 2 round total 80, yeah, 60 pips. Very good and satisfied for today's gapping signal, even though that the market is moving in a narrow range, but we observing the chart and yeah, can capitalize the market movement. Okay, so it's just heading to 40.40, and that's why I encourage you to close on the entry. Alright, close on the entry. Yeah, the bullish momentum is coming back very strong, very strong. Reach to 41. This is the signal that the market's forming higher lows and indicating that the bullish momentum coming back to dominating the market. Alright, yeah, officially we can see that it's heading to 43. Anyway, we still have another resistance zone above here, so if you want to bet with the market once again, you can consider for the sell signal. Yeah, sell signal at this zone, 45 to 47, 45 to 47. Yeah, anyone enter? Yeah, it just hit. Wow, so quickly. 46. 20 pips profit. Oh, it's too fast. I cannot have enough time to enter the trade on the screen, but now it's touching. Indeed. 46 and heading to 40 pips. Wow, just a blink of an eye. 40 pips profit everyone for the sell signal for today's live stream, the third signal. Okay, we are in the New York session, so the speed very quick. Another. Yeah, nearly 50 pips, pips for the third signal of today's live stream. You can set the stop loss to the break even. Okay, it's too fast, and don't worry, it didn't hit to a higher level, and the stop loss will be at 40. Yeah, 40. Sometimes we do not have enough time to type the full signal on the chart, but when I say that, follow my lead. Okay, follow my lead. Well, today, yeah, congratulations on the participant in my live stream. We have victory of consecutive 3 signals of today, both sell and 3 of them are sell signal. So okay, for 50. Yeah, sorry, 50 stop loss at 50. My bad. Sometimes it's lagging. Yeah, because the speed, price movement speed is very quick. Okay, so do you have Are you satisfied with today's signal? If yes, let's comment good. Yeah, let's comment good to interact and give me more support and energy for today's live stream. Okay, one person, yes. Anyone else having the same feeling like Mr. J? You know, our current signal is still heading down. Yeah, when it touches to 46 entry zone. Anyway, still under a very strong bearish momentum. Yeah, high selling pressure. Hello, Isaac. Wow. Okay, I knew it. I knew you will have profit. And also, Bear. Yeah, my lovely friend. You are all having profit, and thank you so much for trusting me, trusting my analysis, and together we gain a lot of profit when we trade real time together. Hello, Abbas. Oh, long time no see you. Where have you been? How are you? Do you enter enough signal today according to my order? Yeah, thank you so much for your trust, and you know, I'm always here to become your fellow and instruct you to enter the trade correctly. Okay? And if you support me, welcome to the VIP Signal group. You can enter, scan to the QR code and it will direct you to my channel. And send me a direct message on Telegram. I will instruct you how to join in the VIP Signal group and receiving more qualified scalping signal every weekdays, especially for the gold market. You can see that the summary table I show you. More than 1,000 pips every day I can gain, I can make it for you. Okay, just stay tuned, be calm, be disciplined to the trade, and enter enough signals. Yeah, so that is your trading result will improve every day. Okay, it's just heading down to 39. Yeah, heading down to 39 and 60, 70 pips profit having on your hand. Yeah, today together we have a lot of qualified signal together, right? Oh dear, so enthusiastic. Yeah, okay, that is a gift from me to everyone. Enjoy your weekend with your family and your friend. I'm very happy that together today we have a very good signals together. Yeah, it's coming back to the previous resistance. Anyone try to enter round 2? If yes, lower your trading volume. Okay, trade and play with your profit. Yeah, trade and play with your profit. Lower your trading volume and re-enter for the trade. Recommend me to enter Forex channel too. For me it's not. Actually that you should focus on the thing that you do the best. Yeah. If you have full time to trade, yeah, welcome to the Forex Signal VIP Signal group. If you are full time trader, okay. In case you are just part-time trader, focus on gold market only. Okay, do the best. Focus to the thing you do best. All right. Okay, thank you for listening to my advice. Okay, let me check the round 2. How it's gonna be 40, nearly 60, and Yeah, another profit, 30 pips profit. Wow, that's so amazing for the round 2, everyone. No, it's not. I love noisy. I love noise, okay? Round 2, perfectly. Do you enter? Re-enter round 2 for this trade. It's still heading down. Another 40 pips. Wow, today is such an amazing day, you know. Lovely Friday. Yeah, lovely Friday. Thank God it's Friday. You can try, if you have phone time, you can try in the beginning of your time. Yeah, lower your trading volume because the currency pairs, the speed will slower than gold market. Okay, separate it. Divide your time into the smaller timeline. Okay. Anyway, that's if you want to increase your trading volume, trading profit. The key point is enter enough signal, but it will make your trading history will be more complicated. If you have 2 trading account, more than 2 trading account, you can divide it, one for gold and one for currency pairs. That is better for you to observing the chart and the trading appearance, you know, platforms. And if you just have one trading account, I think that is not it's not a good idea. Yeah, it's not a good idea to trade for gold and currency pairs at the same time, because it will make you complicated. Yeah, and difficult for you to manage the layers, the entry you are in. Now the currency pair is not fast. Yeah, it's not fast like gold market. It's slower down. For a day, it do not have too much signal anyway, because it's very slow, and we observe it according to the 1 hour time frame. It's not in a minute. Yeah, all the signal was not set in a minute time frame, so it's gonna be slower than gold market. For gold market, some signal I can make analysis by using 1 minute time frame, you know, but for currency pair I cannot. Yeah, because it's easily to having noise. And yeah, anyway, we should do the analysis on at least it was 1 hour chart for currency pairs. Thank you, Saleh. Thank you, Saleh. Yeah, I always want the best for you, not for me. Yeah, the best for you is my best. Alright. With gold, I can't. Yeah, that's fine. Focus to the thing you do best is the good one. Okay, so today we have consecutive 4 signals, and all of them will bring you the profit anyway. Okay, and today we have a lot of fun together, right? So my friends, do you have management? What was it? Because of my pronunciation? 40-46 is support zone. No, it's a resistant. It became resistant when it cannot break out. Yeah, it cannot break out. And here became the resistance, not support. Support is below the candle. Alright, support zone lying below the candle. And resistance is lying above. Okay, thank you, Team Phoenix Trader. Thank you. Water from Vietnam to celebrate a profitable week. Okay, happy water. What is it? This is my first time to hear about a happy water. Okay, so just clarified again. Yeah, explain you again. Support zone is below, below the candlestick, and resistance is above. Yeah, the one above the candlestick. Okay, below and above. Below is support zone and above is, yeah, resistance. Re-entry again. No, this time, yeah, you can see it's breakout from this level already. Yeah, we shouldn't re-enter. Okay, we shouldn't re-enter. That's enough. That's enough. And if you really want to do it, lower your trading volume. Yeah, lower than the previous trading volume. For one entry, and it's having a lot of reactions, more than 2 times. It became less reliable, you know, less reliable. Rice wine, happy what? Oh, I see, rice wine. I see. I'm sorry, I'm not an alcoholic, so yeah, for those slang, it's not familiar to me to understand. Anyway, that I'm living in France now, so very homeless. Yeah, to Vietnam. Yeah, it just break out from this level, so that's why I do not recommend you to re-enter again. It's not safe anymore because we already have profit from 2 rounds already. Okay, any question else you want to ask me before I end the live stream today? 4 consecutive winning signals today. Yeah, take a rest soon. Tomorrow is weekend, Saturday. Enjoy your weekend, okay? Relax. Hello there, anyone else that you want to ask me for any question? I'll look for BTC. Okay, BTC. I will do a brief analysis for you. It continue heading down. Yeah, I still remember that in the previous live stream I told you that it is under a very pressure of selling pressure, right? Selling pressure heading down, and let's take a look if it's any support zone down here. Whoa, it's break down the reliable support zone at 48,000 and 84,000, and now it's heading down. Yeah, this is a very strong bearish candlestick pattern according to the daily time frame. So we shouldn't FOMO to the selling pressure anymore, and we need to looking at the reliable support zone like 75,500. Yeah, it's far away from current bearish momentum, you know. Let's go into the smaller time frame. This is the triangle that I draw for you. It hit to EMA 89. Yeah, and continue for the bearish reaction anyway. Okay, so for me, we should take a look for reliable support zone below here. 75,000. If you want to enter any sell signal, Yeah, any sell order. A good positions is around here, getting to the higher ones. Yeah, the previous support zone became resistant. Yeah, sell signal 88,000. all right, 88,000, 88 to 91. Yearly support. Yearly support. Let's take a look at bigger time frame again. I'm looking at the daily time frame. Yeah, daily time frame. So in April, this candlestick was formed in April 9. Yeah, April 9. Alright, we have another support zone from at, let me see it, 79,000. Yeah, it's also another support zone for us to observe far away from here. This zone we do not have any bullish reaction, so I think that at 79,000 the bullish momentum will coming back and yeah, gaining the domination with the bearish momentum, yeah, with the sellers. Okay, so that is my brief analysis for BTC. Anyway, gold BTC is still under a lot of selling pressure, and we will take a look at the support zone. Yeah, when it have the reaction, bullish reaction, to help us having the better position for the selling pressure, selling signal, sell signal. Okay, do not FOMO for the sell, for the bearish momentum at this time. It's not good for your trade. All right, thank you so much everyone for joining in my live stream today with a very big win today for signal, and all of them was very profitable trades. Okay, thank you and see you next time. See you again. Have a lovely weekend.